Hello everybody and welcome back to Xoxo Charm. This is the second basics video. We're going to be doing a mint jelly sauce tonight. So I've got my mint leaves here, my green food coloring here. We've got about a cup and a half of sugar and so forth. We'll go ahead and get started with some water, a little bit of lemon juice for some flavor, and keep watching. Two cups of water, 2 cups of mint leaves. We're gonna go ahead and stuff it down in here. All right, go ahead and grab your blender top, push it on, go ahead and blend. I'm gonna go ahead and place this on medium heat. And then in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and also stir this. Now we want our lemon juice. Okay. Also our sugar. And really go ahead and stir that up. Turn that on about medium-high heat. And stir this together. About 2 drops of food coloring, 2 squeezes. Alright guys, so for the first steps we went ahead and we blended our mint leaves and our water. So that was 2 cups of water, 2 cups of mint leaves. Went ahead and took our fresh squeezed lemon juice, that was 2 lemons. And went ahead and added this to the mixture, as well as a cup and a half of sugar. So what we're going to go ahead and do, I've placed it on a little over medium heat, so medium to high heat. We want to really stir this mixture occasionally, bring this mixture to a boil, and then afterwards we're going to go ahead and strain this mixture, and we'll follow in with the next steps to add the pectin to make it a jelly-like substance. Okay everybody, now our mixture has come to a boil. We're going to go ahead and let it strain, and we're going to go ahead and turn this oven off in the meantime, okay? This is what it looks like with our boil. Strain it here. Kind of get the leaves a little bit. As you can see, we got most of that consistency there. We don't want that, okay? Let's go ahead and pour that right back in. All right. So now we've strained the mixture. We're gonna go ahead and add the pectin to the boil and bring it to a boil now that we've strained the mixture. So this is what it looks like. This is the pectin. We're gonna add the whole package here. And then we are going to stir it up. We are boiling the pectin, which is essentially what makes it that jelly consistency. We've brought it to a boil, and I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Remove the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in our mixture bowl here. We've got a good kind of consistency. It's already a jelly consistency, jelly-like consistency, so as you can see. And then after this, we are going to go ahead and cover this, and we're gonna let it cool in the fridge. Alright guys, this is my mint jelly in here. This is my mint jelly sauce. Go ahead, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe below and comment below as well. Let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching.